It's been a while since I've done a deals and finds, and this is just some stuff that I got at my local thrift store. First of all, this is a London Bridge Trading Company drop leg holster, and I got it for $3 because it was missing the male where it attaches to the belt or the waist belt, and I've got I've got stuff I can fix that. And I was looking inside. It's an EOD specific pouch. When you look on the London Bridge website, it actually says EOD/medical. And if you use this for medical, it would be very, very specific because these pouches are not big enough for tourniquets or anything like that. So I would discount the idea that it was a medical pouch. It is an EOD specific pouch. It's very heavy, heavy duty. Um, I'll be real honest with you. What I'm probably going to do is take the straps off of it, use them for something else, and turn it into just a pouch for some EDC gear, and it'll go in my car probably with some specific gear set. And if I come up with something snazzy, I'll share that with you. And the real find was I got a GoPro. Now this is like the original GoPro. This is GoPro Hero HD, so this is a very old one, but it works, and it came with all this stuff, just a ton of stuff. These are the instructions I printed out. It came with a chest harness. It came with a head strap harness, and just all this gear for attaching it in so many ways. And then it came with, of course, a waterproof case, and then all these different back sections so that you can do all this different stuff. And it even came with a screen, attaching screen, and had a 32 was it 32? No, it has a 32 gig disc in it with pictures of some guy's wife in her bikini. So I mean, it's just a win all the way around, and it works. It works fine. Now I know nothing about GoPros, but it works, and I'm gonna see if I can't incorporate it into my videos in some way. Not not gimmicky, just incorporate it. So that's the screen that you can attach to the back. And then when you turn it on, let me see if I can turn it on. You actually, yeah, see? You can actually see real time on the screen. And it even came with attachments so that I can keep the screen on while I have it in the waterproof case. So that's a plus. And like I said, just all this stuff that came with it, even a little floaty. Handhelds. And so I'm going to start playing around with that, and maybe it will enrich my videos. Then again, maybe it won't. It probably will, because it wouldn't take much to enrich my videos, would it? But anyway, and I got that. Let me brag about that. I got this and a bunch of the gear for 20 bucks. Just came in a sack. And then I got another sack of gear a couple days later that came in, and a few pieces didn't fit, but most of it did, for 5 bucks. So all of that was 25 bucks minus the toolbox. I threw that in there. But I mean, these straps are, gosh, they don't look used at all. I mean, they just don't look like anybody used them. And as I said, the London Bridge bag was $3. So pretty good deals and finds, if I say so myself. Hey, thanks for watching.